Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish and welcome you to a new video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about the new safety feature which you're getting it right now in the Google Maps, how very much it is useful and how it can save you from any sort of trouble. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video. So a couple of smart options have been introduced into the Google Maps, and with the update in the June and the July, we're getting a lot of new features. One of the same feature is of your safety feature. Suppose you're going to Lal Killa from over here, you just search it Lal Killa, and you've just been driving. Suppose let me just start it for a drive. Start, and we'll go over here to my drive. You will be able to see a smart feature which says stay safer. If I press this, I'm able to share the live trip with my friends. Plus, if I got off the route by 500 meters, like say my taxi gets off the route by 500 meters, it will just get an alert to me. Even if I'm not looking at the map, it will alert me that my taxi is taking another route and I'm at pretty much of the danger. So this is the thing. Over here you can see that you are en route. We will get alert like this if your taxi or ride goes off, another thing. So this is another thing. Even if your taxi ride goes by 500 meters, you will get an alert that you're taking an alternate route and you might be in danger. So this is the one thing which you are getting it right now. So you are seeing the new update in the Google Maps, and it's a lifesaver right now with this device in the Google Map. It saved me from a lot of trouble when my driver takes an alternative route and I don't know about the route, and I just alerted the driver that you're taking an alternative route and you should go back to the route suggested by the Google Map. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in the next one.